Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be modifying our 6th gen Camaro in collaboration with the Extreme Online Store. So if you guys don't know who Extreme Online Store, it's a website where you can purchase different aftermarket parts such as side skirts, bumpers, wings, you name it, they have it there for you. And on top of that, they also have more than just Camaros. They have Chargers, Challengers, Corvettes, you name it. They would have it there for you, especially the American Muscle, but they do have other cars as well. So check them out, guys. Give them some love because they're supporting this channel, and videos like these are possible because of them. So as always, guys, I want to start the sponsors videos by saying thank you for liking, subscribing, and viewing. None of this would be possible without you guys, so I want to recognize that without you guys, these videos wouldn't be possible. Now, a special thanks again to Extreme Online Store for sponsoring my past side skirt videos. You heard it right. My 5th gen Camaro also got the Extreme Online Store side skirts. Absolutely loved them, loved the quality. They loved the video I made for them. So here we are, part 2, and in the future you'll see more collaborations with them. But anyway, guys, today we are going to be doing the 6th gen facelift side skirts. So you guys already know the dynamic of these videos. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. We're going to install it and then review it, see if it's worth it. But the unboxing is mainly to see the quality of the paint and everything. So let's go ahead and start with that portion right now. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the unboxing here. Alright, so this is the facelift side skirts. Is one of their newer side skirts, I believe. So very grateful and very honored to have them here in the channel. Let's go ahead and begin. So obviously there's 2 side skirts and both of the side skirts are the same, so we're only going to unbox one for now until it's time to install them. So the first thing I see, start from the beginning. So we do have 3M tape, and then the side skirts itself. And as you guys can see, I already see the hardware. Let's go ahead with that. Hardware is right here on the tip. I don't know if you can see it well, but they do include hardware, which is awesome because again, you don't have to go to the hardware store and find what bolts fit what. So this is a pretty nice packaging actually, guys. So you have like a little bag on it, and I already see a different type of protection here. So very good, very protected there. And another 3M tape roll, so one for each side. And again, the second side skirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this box out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and see what the quality looks like. And all right, guys, let's go ahead and reveal what the side skirts look like. Oh yes, they look amazing, guys, and the quality of the paint, I already tell, very awesome. So this is the side skirt right here. So as you guys can see, they look very good. And again, guys, first impression, and I'm not saying this because of sponsorships, because believe me, guys, when I do sponsorships, I tell them honest review. If you don't want that, then I'm sorry, I can't make a video for you. They're totally okay with me making these type of videos with honesty. So what I do see is that it already has 3M tape on it. They definitely do. They do have some inserts right here, which it don't look like it's meant for us. There's no type of, I don't know, guys. We'll have to see on that part, because I do see some screws there, but they're not on this side, so I don't think that's not really a deal there. And then it already has the holes pre-installed, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So very cool piece. It's not very heavy, but I'm gonna tell you, it looks like it's OEM. And again, what I saw on the 5th gen side skirt is that it feels like an OEM part. It's a full part. As you guys can see, this is a full part. It has volume to it. It's pretty thick. Now, it doesn't feel like bad at all. It doesn't feel like a bad quality. This fin already comes included or fused in the side skirt. The 5th gen we had a bolted on, So I think like this is even better. The other one, it don't look bad, but just having a full piece like this, guys, I think I like this one just a little bit better. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you. I really want to show you the quality of the paint. The paint is very cool. I just left a lot of smudges in there, so that might be something you have to keep cleaning. I don't know. We'll see on that part. But it's not like you're gonna be touching your side skirts anyway. And let me go ahead and bring you up here, show you the quality of the paint. I really like this since I opened it, nice and shiny. And then we'll go ahead and install it and review it. Alright guys, so this is the quality, pretty smooth. You can see by that little light right there, guys, it's not bad. It looks very good. I don't see anything wrong with it. You can even see, you see the camera and everything. Very glossy and very good quality. Honestly, I'm very happy with the quality, how it feels. Let me see if I could flip this over safely, and I can. And as you guys can see, these are the inserts I was talking about. But the screws kind of do match that pattern, as you guys can see. So I'll have to definitely reach out to them. I've really never modified a V6 Gen Camaro, so I don't really know how would that fit in. There might be those bolts, I have no idea. So I'm definitely going to be contacting him on how to install this. No big deal, guys. And then after that, as you guys can see, the holes are already pre-drilled. So let's go ahead and start with the installation. Alright, well, this is the installation portion. This is the side skirts already kind of set up. Now, like I said, we do have 3M tape, and we also have the screws. As you can see, I figured it out. So pretty much, guys, what I would recommend to do is to take the side skirt panel out of the car, and when you have it out of the car, make the necessary holes for these, because these are not coming in stock. These are not already made. And then what you're gonna do is that once you make the holes, now you have a thread for these type of bolts. So right here's your side skirt panel. That is gonna be the way I would go in this route. I would take this route. And also this is 3M tape, and then you still have these. Now guys, on this video I'm gonna skip that part, and it should be pretty straightforward. Just take some bolts off, pop the other side skirts, make some holes. The reason I'm not gonna be showing that version of it, and you will see that later if it's not already uploaded, I have these side skirts from the Extreme Online store because they wanted me to make a video on them for my Camaro. So basically for them. But they sent me another pair of side skirts that I wanted for my car that I'm going to be installing and keeping on the car, which is why I'm installing this ones first. So I'm going to install them pretty much with 3M tape. I'm not even going to use all the 3M tape, and just the normal bolts for these, and just try to get it to stick on for a little bit, just to be able to take pictures and record this process, guys. So these side skirts are not staying in the car. I do have another video coming soon for another side skirts that are staying. So for that reason, there's no point in making these holes, just because it's going to look bad whenever I put the other side skirts. So keep that in mind, guys. So this is going to be just a quick installation, and I'm going to show you how to install them. And again, you would see that this is going to be something that I would recommend, but we can always go ahead and see if it's absolutely necessary. So this is going to be the installation portion. I'm going to go ahead and get the jack on the car and everything and start installing them. So I'm going to take the 3M tape out. Just like so, and then I'm just gonna kind of measure it and put it where I want it. Let's see. And then just push. And then we're gonna get the drill and put the hose, the screws in. And just like that, guys, it's installed. That was fairly easy. I'm gonna go ahead and bring you up, and we're gonna do the other side the same. All right, guys, well, this is the first one right here. That's actually dirt, but they look very good. Actually, they look very minimalistic. They're not something that they pop up too much, but I'm really liking them. As you can see, looks very good. And that's just the 3M tape and the screws, those screws right there. That's not even taking out this thing. Now I would apply more pressure to it, and what I also did, get the air dryer and kind of get the 3M tape kind of hot. You kind of reactivate the glue back. So they look dirty just because of this right here. So I'm gonna clean them up and do a final review, take some pictures and stuff for the Extreme online store. But just look, guys, it does look better. I really, like I said, I keep saying I really like that thing right here, because the Camaro has that, the Stormtrooper, but this one just looks better just being part of it. I think it looks a lot better. Anyway, let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, same process. I'll do a final review with the car nice and clean. Alright, guys, well, this is the facelift side skirts. I think they look very cool. They add a lot of volume to the car, and they are not super big, super thick. And as you can see, it starts kind of soft, and then it starts growing and growing and growing, and right into the curvature of the car, making everything look awesome. So guys, this was a quick installation. As you guys saw, I didn't use the bolts that I was telling you guys. It was like a 30-minute installation, and they look pretty sturdy. If you do want to use the other 3M tape that comes included with it, you can also add more to it and ensure that it sticks even better. That's if you don't want to do the hassle of taking out the side panel off, which again, 30-minute installation, and they look amazing. And alright, guys, let me know what y'all guys think. I think they look very cool, and stay tuned, guys, because I do have another video of side skirts. Well, alright, guys, well, there you guys have it. Simple installation, guys. It was actually amazing how easy it was. Now, if you do see my other side skirt installation for the 5 Gen, I had to take my LED strips, I had to take my old side skirts and then put the new ones. It was a whole hassle, and having the luxury of not having any side skirts pre-installed in this car just made everything so much quicker, and it made the car look a lot better. Like I said, guys, they're not super long or super thick, but it's just the perfect amount to go with the curvature of the car. So I'm super happy with the side skirts, guys. Like I said, I'm not going to be keeping this on the car. Stay tuned, because there's a part 2 on another side skirts that I will be keeping, that I will be making another video on, guys. And again, sponsored by Extreme Online Store once again. So that's going to be pretty much it for today's video, guys. Stay tuned if you do want to see more pictures with these side skirts. I will have them on for probably 3 days, taking pictures, making content with them before I go ahead and take them off, guys. So if you do want to see other pictures on these, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram that I'll leave right here, guys. And also, if you are happy with the content you see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned, guys, because there's a lot more videos now for 6 Gen and also for 5 Gen coming soon, guys. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next video.